Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we have a, well, no power, no charge, but I tested it with a good battery and it does power up, so we're just going to say no charge. But everything's leaning towards this P13, so we're going to go ahead and change this out. Sorry if I bumped the camera. Alright, time for some blind micro soldering. Alright, we need to move that. Alright, so I'm just hoping we could do this on camera. We got the board prepped and the chip prepped. Sorry about that. Hopefully you guys seen that surface tension times 2. It's pretty neat. That should be good. Now we just gotta smash it into place and then clean up the edges. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday.